Have you ever asked yourself that what is the most successful business online today? If you're watching this video now, I want to congratulate you that you already make the number one step to success, that you find yourself on this channel, because today I'm going to reveal to you how you can start a big business online that will enable you to live your 9 to 5 job lifestyle and to be your own boss, which means that you are going to make enough profit. But before you can make this profit, you need to watch this 10-minute video to the end so you can understand the process, what you need to do, and how you can set things up to make it run on autopilot, and you can make money even when you sleep. All you just need to make this work is your desktop, or you need a laptop, or you can even do this with your smartphone. Before we move on to that, if you do please support this channel, give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And if you haven't, also subscribe to this channel, because I do talk about different ways to make money online, so you don't want to miss that. And also turn on notification bell button, so each time when I release new videos like this, you will get update. And I also have a second channel called Online Money, so you also try and subscribe to my second channel, because I do talk about different ways to make money online. And in this other channel, you have also the possibility to ask me what type of business model you would like me to talk about. So go ahead and subscribe to that channel. You will also find it in Tosin Ajiboye's channel on page. So now we move on into today's tutorial. So what I'm going to be talking about is a very lucrative business model that maybe not so many people are talking about this, because they keep it secret to themselves, because you can really make a huge money with this. So, but I won't lie to you, this is not a make millions overnight tutorial. The truth is that you need to put some effort in this at the first time, okay, at the beginning and in the creation, and after when you do this, bam, you can start earning the money every day, even when you're sleeping. Okay? But at first you need to put the effort. I won't lie to you guys, let's be honest here, you have to put the work into this method so it can work for you guys. Before we go on, I would want to ask you one question, and the question is that what do you like most? I mean, what do you like doing? So this is the first question. I want you to even ask yourself that, what do you like doing? So if you know what you like doing, then we'll finish the first step, because it's going to be easier. What you like doing is what we're going to be using to make money online. So for example, I like cooking, and I like also doing sport, like going to gym. I like going outdoors. I like traveling. So everything you love doing, I just wanted to know that they are also a niche. So this is why I asked you this question, that you need to ask yourself, what do you like doing? So assuming you like cooking, let me just go on Google and show you about cooking. Okay, so what I want to talk about in today's tutorial is creating an online course. This is one of the most lucrative ways to make money online, and this will enable you to even live your 9 to 5 job lifestyle, and you just have to keep on doing it. And I won't lie to you, you need to invest in this at the beginning, and after that, when it starts growing up, you will see the money coming in. Even at sleep, it's going to be on autopilot. What I want to show you is that we're now on Google, and I've searched for cooking. So as you can see, everybody on this planet are interested in cooking. So average of them doesn't even know how to cook and want to learn how to make some dish out there. Okay, they want to learn how to make some kind of dinner out there. This is why online course on this niche is very, very lucrative, and has the potential to make more money with this online course. So what you want to do is that you want to create a online course. What you need to do this is a desktop. When you have a desktop with camera, it's very easy to do. Or when you have a laptop, you can do this. Or when you have a smartphone, you can also do this. All you need to do is to record yourself. And if you don't like recording yourself, if you don't like staying in the front of camera, there is a other app I'm going to introduce to you guys that you can also use. So this other software will enable you to share your computer, and you can make record with your display and use it to show people what you want to teach them. So the name of this software is called OBS Studio. So this is already OBS Studio. With OBS Studios, you can use it to share your display and record it. In this way you can create a online course with it. It's so easy. But when you're using it for cooking course, I will advise you to show what you're cooking, because people want to see what you're cooking. You don't want to show your face. You don't have to show your face, but you can show what you're cooking and the ingredients you're using, so people can know what type of ingredient you are using. Like people who don't even speak the same language you're speaking, so they can understand when they see the ingredients you use to cook this food, they will know through the saying, through the pictures, so they can use it to know what type of ingredients you're using to cook your food. So that is already OBS Studio. It's very good. You can just go on Google and download it to your Windows, your Mac, or your Linux laptop. So with that being said, if you want to create an online business, online course, there's two ways to do it. I will show you two type of ways you can do that. You can do this in Udemy, and it is totally free. All you just need to do is to come to udemy.com and click on Teach on Udemy. When you click on Teach on Udemy, it's going to bring you to this next page. As you can see, Udemy has already 40 million students. You can't just believe that. That is very, very much large student out there, okay, that want to learn something. So you can just create a video course and come to upload it on Udemy, and Udemy will make the job for you. Udemy is going to present it to their students, and when they sell this course, you will get paid. It's very, very simple as that. And they speak 65 plus languages, and they have 480 million enrollment in 180 countries. So, but as of this moment, Udemy is free. Other online courses website that I know is not free. So this is why I'm going to show you only on Udemy. So how it works on Udemy is very, very easy. You just need to plan your course and create it. You record your course, and after that you're going to launch your course on Udemy. It is so easy as that. So to use Udemy, you need to first sign up to Udemy, and to do that you just need to go to Get Started. When you click on Get Started, it's going to pop this next page here where you can fill your details, okay, your full name, your email, your password, and you agree to the time of service, and you can sign up. It's so easy as that, and you can start using Udemy with no cost. And after that, you can start uploading the videos you made for your online course. Maybe it's a 30-minute video or it's a 1-hour video. Just take your time and plan on it very good and create a video, and this video is going to be the one that was going to fetch you money every now and then. So after signing up, one more thing is very important. You need to verify your email address, because that is where they're going to be sending you your alerts when you have sales, or when they have other type of advice for you to make your course get more sales and to more viewers. So this is how it, guys. So after doing that, this is the first method that you can use to earn money with your online course. And the second method is with this software here called GetResponse. GetResponse was before only a email marketing software. So now at this time, it's not only based on email marketing. They are also included a website builder, as you can see, and they also have a marketing automation, which is very, very good, and they also have a conversion funnel. This is all what you need to own a business. You have it in a software. So I will leave a link to this software in this video description, so you can go get. When you get this software through my link in this video description, I'm gonna hand some amount for that. This amount is not going to be taken for the price you're going to pay. You have a paid plan, and you have a 30 days free trial on this software. So when you sign up to this software through my link in this video description, I will also get paid. In this way, you support this channel. The price you're going to pay is going to stay the same, and even you can get the discount with my link in this video description. First of all, let me sign up so you can see how it looks like. In this software, you can create your course here. All you just need to do is to upload your course in this website, and if you don't even have a website, it's so easy. You can also do that with this conversion funnel. All right, so I've already logged in this software called GetResponse. As you can see, these are the features they got here, guys. Okay, you can see they have an email marketing, they have an autoresponder, and they have an automation, they have a webinar. So you can also create a webinar using this software. But where we're going now is to these stores and products. If you don't have a website to list your online course, there is also a conversion funnel here. This is a funnel that you can use to sell your course, and they have a landing page, they have a form and surveys, they have a paid ads, and they have a website building. But you won't need the website building at the first if you don't have money to create a website. You can also just easily go to these stores and products. So this is where you can list your products that will be this online course, and you can sell it. After creating it, you can just go here and create either a landing page or create a funnel for your online store. And now we can go to the next step, which is marketing your online store. To market your online store, you can either do it with Instagram and create a cooking course page on Instagram. Let's just go here and search for cooking, so you can have a little bit inspiration if you want to create a cooking course. For the first one that come, let's just click on it and check what type of page is that. All right, guys, so I'm already on the page. This is cooking Catherine. As you can see, she posts things about cooking. Okay, as you can see here, tastes kind of lovely honey with strawberry. See, post only about food. It might be diet food, weight loss food, healthy food. So what matters is that you just have to create a page like this on Instagram, and you can start posting. When you get 10,000 followers, you can make a swipe up link with your online course website, which you're going to be getting from either when you're using GetResponse or when you're using Udemy. You're going to get a link to your online course, and you can start promoting it. You can leave your link in your bio. So you can leave your link like this one here. Okay, you can see here where our link is. When people click on it, they will land on your online cooking course website, and they have the chance to buy your course. Okay, guys, so this is a very effective method to promote your online store. Okay, and if you also want more followers, you want to get real followers for your Instagram page, I will leave a link in this video description. There's a very cool website where you can buy real followers, okay? Real followers who are going to engage with your content. So this is the first method that you can use to market your online course, and the second method is on YouTube. So you can create a YouTube channel based on cooking and promote your online cooking course. So it's very easy like that. As you can see, when we look here on my screen here at the right side, you can see how cooking is trending. This is a keyword trending software that I downloaded, extension that I downloaded on my computer. As you can see, cooking is a word now. As you can see, it is really trending and it will never go down. So many people are out there who are ready to learn how to cook. When you create a YouTube channel like this, let's just click on it so you can see how it looks like. So when you have a YouTube channel like this, all you just need to do is that you can go to the show more, and you can leave your online cooking course link here in the video description, guys. And that's it. This is how you can promote your cooking course on YouTube. So I hope you guys gain more value on this video. So this is just an inspiration to show you that how it works, okay, how you can set it up yourself, and after that, when you make a sale, you can earn money for that, and people can leave reviews, and this review will make you to earn even more money when you get positive review. So people will be very confident to buy your course, and in this way you just have to make the work one time, and you can sell this course for million times. Okay, guys, so this is why this is a very lucrative business that people are also doing out there that I want to share with you, my subscribers. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you get more value on it. I would really appreciate that. And also subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this, and also turn on the notification bell button so each time when I create new videos like this you will get updates. And don't forget to subscribe also to my second channel. So thank you for doing this, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. So take care.